Hyundai vehicles use advanced technology and innovative safety systems to help protect you and your family on the road. All vehicles have blind spots, areas that cannot be seen while looking ahead or by using either the rear view or side mirrors. Certain Hyundai models are equipped with blind spot detection. This way, when you're changing lanes, it'll let you know about the vehicle you didn't notice. Here's how it works. The system uses radar sensors in the two rear corners of the vehicle. If another vehicle enters the possible blind spot areas on either side of you, the system will turn on warning lights in the side mirrors. If you decide to ignore the warnings and use your turn signal to go anyway, blind spot detection will make a warning sound. Some Hyundai vehicles provide even more alerts, such as showing warning icons in the head-up display. No matter which warnings are provided, the system helps keep you safer and also helps avoid the trouble and expense of rubbing fenders during your daily commute. Now, if you decide that you don't want all this assistance, you can turn blind spot detection off using this button. But why would you want to do that? So, blind spot detection sounds like a pretty good idea, literally like having eyes in the back of your head.
Another state-of-the-art safety system in many Hyundai vehicles is lane change assist. It's part of the blind spot detection system and uses the same two rear radar sensors. At highway speeds, when the turn signal is used, lane change assist increases safety by looking backward to check for rapidly approaching vehicles. If the system senses that another vehicle might soon occupy that lane space, it will turn on indicator lights in the side mirrors and sound an alarm. This is another way Hyundai technology helps prevent accidents while changing lanes. Since they are part of the same system, if the driver turns blind spot detection off, lane change assist is also turned off. And that's the story with lane change assist. It's like a chaperone for lane changes.
Backing out of a space into a crowded parking lot or from your driveway onto a busy street can be one of the most nerve-wracking experiences for a driver. Hyundai's rear CrossTraffic alert system helps increase safety and peace of mind. By alerting you to vehicles you may not be able to see coming, this system also uses the blind spot detection rear sensors. In this case, it can detect vehicles crossing behind you from up to 65 feet away. It works when the car is moving slowly in reverse. If another vehicle is detected, an alert will flash on the side view mirror. The system will also sound a warning chime. And on some vehicles, a warning will appear on the backup camera display screen or in the instrument cluster. Rear CrossTraffic alert. Now you'll know that speedy neighbor guy is coming even if you can't see him. That's peace of mind.
Many times while backing up, there are unseen objects that can do serious damage to your vehicle. That's where rear parking sensors come in. With the car in reverse, the system uses ultrasonic sensors mounted on the rear bumper to alert you to objects within about 40 inches. This means fewer dents and dings, which saves money and hassle. If there is an object within sensing range, the system emits a series of warning beeps. The beeps get faster as the vehicle approaches the object. If the object is less than a foot from the bumper, the warning tone sounds continuously. Hyundai's rear parking sensor system helps you avoid the bumps in life.
Whether it's the end of a long day or just trying to find the French fry that fell between your seat and the console, there are a number of reasons you might be drifting out of your lane. There's no question, we're talking danger. This is precisely the time for Hyundai's lane departure warning system. If your car begins to drift across a lane marker and the turn signal is not on, meaning you probably didn't mean to change lanes, a warning light and alarm will alert you. On some Hyundai models, the steering wheel will vibrate as a reminder to check your position in your lane. This helps keep you and your family safer whether you're driving around town or on a long road trip. The system uses a camera behind the rearview mirror to watch the lane markings on the road. In some models, you can even set the sensitivity of the system so that it warns you earlier or later when approaching the edge of your lane. Cool, huh? Lane departure warning. It's like having an extra set of eyes on the road ahead.
Lane departure warning is a great safety feature, but on some Hyundai models, we can take this system to the next level. Lane Keep Assist can actually help steer the vehicle back on course if the lane departure warning system senses your vehicle is drifting out of its lane. In some models, it will also vibrate the steering wheel to alert you. Talk about increasing safety. Imagine a sudden distraction in your car. For that moment, you might briefly look away from the road. If you started to drift out of your lane, Lane Keep Assist would automatically add steering input to help put you back on course. I love it when that happens. Now, like so many of these helpful Hyundai technologies, you can set Lane Keep Assist to your preferences. It can be turned off, it can be set to help as your car moves closer to the edge of a lane, or you can ask it for help after the front wheel has crossed over a lane marker. On some models, Lane Keep Assist can be set to not only help keep you from drifting out of the lane, but also to help your vehicle stay centered in the lane. Steady as she goes. When Lane Keep Assist is set, you will see a green steering wheel indicator in the gauge cluster, and the Lane Keep Assist indicator light will change from white to green. You'll need to turn on Lane Keep Assist in your vehicle settings, and it will keep the system ready for every journey. Lane Keep Assist, part of the lane departure warning system, helping you stay on track.
You've probably driven a car with cruise control. It makes long trips easier and can help you avoid speeding tickets. But when you add other cars on the road, using cruise control may not be such a bright idea. You're constantly hitting the brakes, pushing buttons, and pretty soon the cruise control is actually making the trip more stressful. What if the system could help manage all the braking and button pushing for you? What if the system could be smarter? That's exactly what Hyundai's Smart Cruise Control is here to do. It uses the same radar sensor as automatic emergency braking to manage the distance to traffic in front of you. Here's a quick look. Without other cars ahead, the system maintains a steady speed. Simple, huh? But if a slower car appears ahead, Smart Cruise Control gently applies the brakes to slow your car and keep a set distance between the two vehicles, even if the other vehicle almost comes to a stop. That is so cool! Now this is where we get into an important detail. Hyundais equipped with an electronic parking brake work differently. Those models can actually bring your vehicle to a stop if the traffic ahead comes to a stop. And if traffic resumes moving within a few seconds, Smart Cruise Control will actually start you moving again also. If it takes longer, you'll have to press the accelerator yourself or press the resume button to resume motion. This feature is called Stop Start. In Hyundais without an electronic parking brake, if your speed drops to about 6 miles per hour, the system will turn itself off and you'll need to take over driving until it's safe to use the Smart Cruise Control again. Using Smart Cruise Control is super easy. After pressing the steering wheel cruise button once to turn on cruise control, hold the steering wheel's vehicle-to-vehicle distance button down until SCC mode is displayed in the gauge cluster. This is also your chance to set the distance the system keeps between you and the car in front. By default, Smart Cruise Control uses the largest distance. You can change this setting by using the vehicle-to-vehicle distance button on the steering wheel. For example, at 55 miles per hour, 4 lines is about 170 feet between cars. 3 lines is about 130 feet. 2 lines is about 100 feet. And 1 line is about 80 feet. Make sure to choose a distance that is safe for your driving habits. Alright, let's talk a little common sense. However smart it may be, cruise control shouldn't be used in heavy traffic. And because it's not an automatic pilot, you'll still need to pay attention to the road ahead. Okay? Hyundai's Smart Cruise Control. It's miles ahead and helping to take the stress and work out of long driving trips. It can make you feel smarter just by using it.